how to react to a message with emoji in Instagram. So if you want to react to a certain message with emoji in Instagram, then this video might be helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I am at the home page of Instagram, from where you will be able to explore to various reels or the newsfeed over here. So in the first step, tap over the message at the right upper corner, and here you'll be able to see the conversation or the message with your friends. Simply tap over the message, and if you want to react to this message with emoji, then you just have to press and hold over the message, and all the emojis will be available. You can also tap over the plus and you can add other emojis over here that you like, and by just tapping over the emoji you can see the message has been reacted with an emoji. So this is how simply you can react to a message with emoji in Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.